Hello friends, as you know, Blackmagic Design has just released their beta version of DaVinci Resolve 17 having some very beautiful feature in it. But many people are facing problem of system crashing and hanging after installing it. I also faced it. When I installed it on my system, I was very happy to see its features. But when I tried to apply color grade and color correction, it was hanging again and again. Finally, I decided to roll back it and went to DaVinci Resolve 16 again. But I stunned when I saw my interface totally blank without any thumbnail of my project. Since I have to deliver a project urgently and it was on timeline, so I decided to again install DaVinci Resolve 17 to render the project without any color correction or grading. And I thought I will color grade it in DaVinci Resolve 16. But even after reinstalling DaVinci Resolve 17, the problem was same. Interface was totally blank without any thumbnail of my project. I asked my son to help me. He helped me and he solved the problem. How he did it, I'm sharing with you. Hopefully, those who are facing this type of problem may get solution from it.
Hi guys, now I'm going to show you many users have faced a problem when they are upgrading it to DaVinci Resolve 17 beta version. They are facing hanging and some crashing issues. So I'm gonna show you how to resolve that one. First of all, make sure your Windows 10 is updated. And the second thing is you need to update your graphic driver. For example, I am having an NVIDIA GTX 1650. So first of all, you click on this check for updates and make sure your PC or Windows 10 is updated. Okay, there are no pending updates. So here, as you can see, I have just updated today. Okay, so second thing is you open your internet browser and here you type DaVinci Resolve 17 NVIDIA GPU driver. Okay, so here as you can see this first link, it is showing me that the NVIDIA has already released the new version especially for DaVinci Resolve 17. So I'll go here. As you can see here, they have supported for this new version of DaVinci Resolve 17 beta. So you need to download this driver. Okay, go to drivers. Here you can select your product type. In this case, we need to select a studio driver. Then click on start search. And here are the results. As you can see, this is the latest one. The release date is very recent, which is 17th November. So I'm going to download this one. So just click on download now. And once it get download, install this one and just try using DaVinci. It will resolve your hanging and crashing issue. So as you can see here, just a blank screen. Many users get scared, like where are their projects gone? So nothing to worry in this. I'll show you how to restore your projects. So basically what you need to do here, basically the issue is your database got disconnected when you upgraded to the version. So I'll show you how to restore the database. Okay, so open it. You may see this button. Click on the show hide database. Okay, so here as you can see there is no database connected right now. What you need to do, click on the new database. Okay, so there are two options. One is disk and one is PostgreSQL. Most of the users are using the by default disk. Okay, if you are having PostgreSQL, so you can connect to that also. Okay, I'm going to show you the type disk database. So here you can name it whatever you would like to do. For example, I'm giving here db1, that is my database, and the location which you need to select is important here. So your database files resides in support. So I'll show you this path. Generally it is in C, program data, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve. Under that, go to support. Then there is a folder called Resolve Disk Database. So your database files generally resides here. So just you select this and click on select folder. Okay, so now it has taken that Resolve Disk Database directory and click on add. So as you can see, my database name which I have given is db1, and whatever your projects were there are now showing up here. So this is how you have to restore your database or your projects. Okay, thank you.